Open your camera. Take a photo of something in the classroom. Anything except a person. Now open your camera roll and find the photo that you just took. Now find the edit button and tap it. Now find the three little dots on the side and tap it. Now press the markup button that looks like this pen. Pen. Highlighter. Pencil. Eraser. This is the lasso. The lasso selects different things that you've already drawn so you can move them to a different place. These buttons change all your colours. This button allows you to add text, a signature or shapes. Now use all those features to turn your object into something that's living. You can add legs, eyes, tongues, ears, hair, tails. Add anything that you think that will make your object look like it's alive.